All right. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Terrence Wilkins. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee. I attend Lane College located in Jackson, Tennessee. I major in business management, and I also have a minor in computer science. I hope everybody's doing well today, and we about to get started. Okay, so basically, we just explaining, this is our 2 week summer research program. This is the work we have, me and my fellow classmates have done over the summer. To start off, I'm about to show y'all my own personal work. As y'all can see here, it's just little info about some of the projects I have worked on. We had a solar system project, the skater park project, and then we have the physicals project data lab. All of these are different labs that all have different meanings. To get started, I'm about to give y'all an example. As y'all can see here, this is the solar system lab. Click on this, and basically just mess around with these. I can control the mass of the planets by moving the mouse around, just stretching it out, clicking any number I want to. Doesn't matter. And I can go. This I'm gonna show y'all normal. Then I'm gonna show y'all slow. Now I'm gonna show y'all fast. This is the speed wise normal. Okay. This is the speed wise fast. Okay. And this is it wise slow. Okay. We can move it around mid example. Move the planets around to start over. Now I'm gonna show you what happens if I let the mass decrease. Okay, none too special, none too cool. All right, I can also change the gravitational force, just like we're gonna try it like this. Well, y'all get the gist of it. Okay, now I'm gonna show y'all something else. This right here is just an old picture. This is just a picture of me, my fellow orientation leaders. If I were to click on it, it would bring y'all a video of me when I attended my Luminosity Expo conference in Arizona, Texas. Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona.
Yeah, I am.
Just a short little video of me giving the presentation.
Which is a very typical.
Now I'm gonna show y'all one of the other labs we worked on during our 2 week summer research program. Our energy skate park. This lab just lets me play with the gravitational force and gravitational pull of a person skating. I can make them go fast. I can make them float. I can make them go slow. And well, that's it. Thank y'all for tuning in. And I'm gonna pass it over to my partner, Keith.
Name is Keith Jordan Jr., and this is my summer research project with Dr. Liang at Lane College. So, as you can see, we are here on wiseCIO.net, the website created by Dr. Liang, where I was instructed to create a curriculum using the wave on the string simulation. As I click on the picture here, you can see drop down all of the information that we've inputted into the website and the database using the code, where students can go in and get their instructions, see what the materials are, the procedure, the overview, and even see a little bit about myself, which I shared through my personal narrative, using a picture that I have put in to the wiseCIO.net website. Here, you click this eye. I can view the curriculum that we have laid out for a student who would use the website to understand what the assignment is. So we have here a student knows to understand the simulation, formulate research questions, experimental design, conduct the simulation, and also the data collection and analysis. So the whole point of this project was to do data analysis. If I click this picture here, this is the simulation that we are talking about within the assignment, which is fully operational. And you might notice that we are still within the wiseCIO.net website. Everything is operational. Students can use all features to conduct their experiments, do their research, and gather their data. Restart.